The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences, and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057 94851 58603 700 505 7728 8794 250646.
76-year-old long-distance runner from Meghalaya, Kmoin Walang, has been invited to join the Indian athletics team for the 13th Pan Pacific Masters Games 2024, set to take place in Gold Coast, Australia this November. Kmoin Walang, known for her participation in full marathons and various other races in Mumbai, Kolkata, Guwahati and her home state, Meghalaya, met with South Shillong MLA Sanbor Shulai today. Shulai presented her with a cheque of Rs 1 lakh to support her expenses for the upcoming games. Kmoin Walang was accompanied by Benning Starlinghoy, a former athlete and current coach at the District Sports Office in Maukarwat. The cheque, reportedly from Shulai's 1 month's salary, was given as a gesture of encouragement and support.
So all the best play you could cool your people you job. Yeah. No. Right. Tugas cek bersilap juga. Tar kijungi ublur yele kai ubala warabun kanam bokorom yeladi kumonongi kumon ya gikon stiu bahima sem ya ka rib ka jadri ya ka stit magalia bade ka rin dia jungi ya menta ilalong coach joga district sport office joga Maukarwat Southwest Hills de lengba jungi ibala yalam lenti iba Benning Star lenggo yalam lenti kumon ban hikai banai coaching, banai practice, pemutar terbadru, kebetulan kalau iru in persyakat bala, hakabailan jumut in senran, kumu coach, nagal yang state Meghalaya kejungi, banlet ban senran ni isu Australia, badru kerang bangiru borok ia kit bokir ruyang, warna dengan melak punya lecaru Australia ru, pi let ubay ungkurku ya pi poisuk, bapinian suk bat borok dia dua iru namenta, gari baca iru namenta Ri jungi boro kabapin wara ya kanam juga jingjob akaba kan sa junong te kano kadai tanga jing senang nakabata jongpi kayeng jongpi kong Kmoin Walang nagliang ka nang benta ka kur walang ke jongpi kumjui ba Benning Starlinghoy bat baro nagliang ka kur lenghoy ke jongpi ru kumju ba mo ini sa nam ya sa burom tambah kemau yang lajit ko mameli Emily naga karkendai South Shillong Constituency but ngade Emily jo karkendai South Shillong Constituency tangbang ngade Emily jo Meghalaya nomor ta assembly yung Meghalaya member Meghalaya Legislative Assembly takamur ka mga confine tang ha constituency mudodon gijing ja ka saw ese ki perlo perjual gijing kada katai kabutang mga ada yung ngamla cuban kata kamlong kabala ahi bin knerik ti ber kakar kom tray kam ko jonga kadi ka jinglong ko jonga na dul laikai kaba udah bana konsensi no prasnong no bayang basem nu udah bana baru agak mengila ya rap tentu kada haying juga kan ubawan lawa de no konsensi bana sebar konsensi ni ngom juplit ling ya rap se kata kadiga egi kaba mo kuma biya kli beli ya rap sabar kolong ba kum kini ki bi arab ki tiba beli miarap ibu beli ka kajinglut ke banong arlak tam cedu sepo ini yele kan marathon race di amare race ilayo mikmat ya kari India mayuru 100% ya kari India nang ya ga state jungi kari India bali yele ka sepo Australia obnai Oktober tegi sungi di benai ketiban ketika dia ba abai mikmat dia borok konsumsi robo tuli konsumsi illi belia kun dawara kana mera na me borok jadi so baro ini belia ai ketika bang ketika dia mau ambil sim yang ia bor kucing doa ya ibin job in ora ya kana mu borom ya la dia ya ki kun iksiu ya ka kurwalang tungi ya ka rita beliau yang ka state di borok we kita kadau mi awan cemat bantu ku borom i bari la ya rap tu kan arab nakatulok bidonga ka ba long silap tenggayai berkumjuri ba binding star lengkoi belum coach atlet coach